With several touches or taps on the screen, we can easily get what we want from our iPhones. In other words, when your iPhone's touch screen stops working, then you will lose control of your iPhone. You can't check your emails, post pictures online, or watch videos freely. How bad that would be. To get ourselves rid of the snare, here we can offer some solutions to fix the iPhone touch screen not working. How to fix iPhone touch screen not working with ease. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. This is probably the fastest way to deal with a malfunctioning iPhone touchscreen, and the restart method varies from model to model, so here are the steps. Method 2. Factory reset your iPhone. Step 1. Go to iCloud.com and sign into iCloud with the Apple ID used on the locked iPhone. Step 2. Turn to the Find My feature and all devices signed with the same Apple ID will be shown on the screen. Step 3. Select the locked iPhone, then tap Erase iPhone. Tap Continue and again confirm to solve the iPhone screen not responding to touch. Wait until the whole process is completed. Method 3. Best tool: MagFone iOS System Recovery. Without complex steps and tedious guidance, MagFone iOS System Recovery can help users to repair system faults both quickly and effortlessly. It can provide you with the easiest way to repair an iPhone touch screen not working without any data loss. Different from the methods discussed above, MagFone iOS System Recovery can fix the most common iOS system bugs, including a black screen, the touch screen not working, and Apple logo. Under its standard recovery mode, you can enjoy getting your device back to normal with no data loss. Step 1. Open MagFone and connect your iPhone to computer. Do not forget to install iTunes in advance. Then connect the iPhone to the computer and choose iOS System Repair. Next, you can select the specific type of iOS system problems. Choose Device Problems, and then click Start. Step 2. Click iOS Repair to continue, and choose Standard Mode. Then click to continue and choose the Standard Mode to finish the recovery process. If the information on the screen matches your iPhone, you can go to the next step. If there's something wrong, put your device into recovery mode as suggested on the screen. Deep mode will clear all the data on the device, so be cautious. Step 3. Download and verify the firmware package. To achieve the recovery, MagFone will download a firmware package for your device. Check your device information carefully and choose your matched iOS version. Then click Download to start downloading and verifying a compatible firmware package. Wait patiently until the whole process is completed. Step 4. Start to fix iPhone touch screen not working. Now you can click Repair. MagFone iOS System Repair will continue unzipping the firmware package and fixing the iOS system. Keep the device connected to the computer before the repair is completed. Next, you can check whether your iPhone touch screen can operate normally. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, subscribe us.